Role modeling is one of the most effective ways to coach a person. You demonstrate the output that you want to happen. You say something like, you see how Anna talks to the customer? I want you to do it the way she does it, just like that. And so it helps and guides the employee because the output is clear. Here's the problem with this style. Sometimes when you do it in a team and you keep on using the same role model over and over again, the other employees feel that they're being compared. And the worst case scenario is that the employees will feel that you are applying favoritism. So dear coaches and leaders, one, please make sure that you do not use the same person as your role model all the time. From time to time, switch it up. Try to identify the strengths of each team member and use them as a role model for a specific skill or a behavior.